Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We can put about the limit 8 approach to positive infinity. So we have the integration from number 1 to 8. Next, we can do about factorization by s. Next, we need to add about s. Later that we need to minus about s. So this one divided by this one, we have number 1. S divided by s, we have number 1. Next, the integration of 1 over s, that is about Fn of the absolute value of x. The integration of this one, that is about Fn of the absolute value of s plus number 1. And we put the bounds from number 1 to 8. So we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. And now we put 8 and number 1 go in here. So we need to divide by 8 on numerator and denominator. This one we have number 1, this one we have number 1. When 8 approach to positive infinity, 1 divided by 8, you got number 0. Fn number 1, you got number 0. So we just have this one left, and that is about negative Fn of 1 over 2.